breaking news. This is the army chief who's actually outlined some very important points vis-a-vis Pakistan. Remember, at a point where you do realize that Pakistan continues to push terror in the valley, he's also in fact gone ahead to say that there has been a great improvement in internal security and terror incidents have come down. This again is a direct commentary on what you're looking at in Jammu and Kashmir. Our colleague Shivani with us, helping us take that story ahead. Shivani, what more have we heard from the army chief, particularly vis-a-vis Jammu and Kashmir, considering that of late you have seen certain incidents that have been related to terror again?
DTC, this was a Vimarsh event which was being attended by Chief of Army Staff, General Mukund Naravne, and he said that if we talk about the internal security, there has been an improvement, especially because the army has actively been neutralizing the terror outfits, and we know that Pakistan has been using the launch pads to push terrorists into the valley. But the Indian Army has actively been neutralizing these terrorists, and more than 250 terrorists have been neutralized in last 1 year. So he said that the number of terrorists inside the valley are actually decreasing because of this enforcement by the army. And on the northeastern states also, he did mention that the insurgency has been being controlled and the terror activities have been controlled. So the internal security overall, if we talk about in Jammu and Kashmir, in the northeastern states, has improved with the decreasing number of insurgents. But yes, Pakistan is still trying to use its launch pads to push the terrorists inside Jammu and Kashmir. But since army is quite vigilant, it's deactivating all these attempts. So the inside atmosphere in Jammu and Kashmir is on an improvement.
And you know, Shivani, there is also this bit where he does say that terrorists continue to be there on the other side looking for an opportunity to cross over. Again, something that is very clear of the agenda, the intentions of Pakistan. Shivani, I request you to please hold that phone line as we make way now to listen in to what we just heard from the army chief.
Definitely been a great improvement in the internal security situation in the Union Territory of J&K. And when I say that, I don't say it just based on emotion, but I say that based on the various figures and various parameters that you can judge the figures, the violence from. The number of terrorist-initiated incidents have gone down. The number of, unfortunately, we had 2 incidents in quick succession when terrorists fired on parties of the CAPF. But before that, for almost 2 months, there was no untoward incident whatsoever. The incidents of infiltration, the infiltration bids across the LC had also gone down. There were no instances of stone throwing or pelting. There were no incidents of IED attacks. So these are facts and figures which speak for themselves.